Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're just stopping by for the first time, you're most definitely welcome. In today's video, we're talking about AI agents. What exactly are AI agents and how do they work? You've probably heard about AI agents, but what exactly are they? Are they just fancy chatbots or is there more to this AI agent? Today, we'll be diving deep into AI agents, their building blocks, and also exploring popular AI agents out there like Eliza OS, n8n, and also n8n. We'll talk about what AI agents are, how they work, and why they are the future of automation and AI-driven workflows. Now, what are AI agents? AI agents are nothing but autonomous programs. They're designed to perform specific tasks without constant human intervention. They can interact with other systems, they can adapt to changes, and even make decisions based on the data you actually feed them or the data they receive. So think of them as digital assistants that can automate different processes for you. They can also make recommendations and they can learn from their interactions. Really interesting, right? But wait, let me just give you an example as to how they work. So for example, a customer support AI agent can handle routine queries, right? So they can also escalate complex issues to human agents and also even learn from past interactions to improve responses. This is just one of many examples that an AI agent can actually do. So you may be thinking of what are the building blocks of AI agents. Now let's dive right deep into it. So now we'll be looking at the building blocks of AI agents. AI agents are really built on three main parts. The first part is perception, right? So perception is the ability to perceive inputs like text, images, or voices as well. This is what it means by perception in the building block of AI agents. Secondly, reasoning as well too. So using machine learning models to analyze inputs and also make decisions is one of the many things that your AI agent is able to do because they can reason, right? Because of the information you actually feed into them. Then the third one is action. The eventual outcome of an AI agent is to perform an action, and this action could be performing tasks like sending of emails, like making API calls, like updating a database. These are one of the many actions that your AI agent can pretty much do. And these components can be defined in different things in different agents as well. So for example, in Eliza OS, it actually uses something called law, and these components are more or less powered by large language models, which also known as LLMs like OpenAI. So most times you're going to see, surely with the screen, with some of the videos I'll put on screen right now about how you can actually integrate OpenAI into your AI agent just to ensure that your AI agent is powered effectively and able to understand and generate human-like text. And these tools include also some LLMs like LangChain as well too. You can also use OpenAI APIs. You can use Hugging Face as well, because all these play a critical role in building these AI agents. Now, there are three major types of AI agents. The very first one is reactive agents. These agents respond to input without storing past data. So think about your chatbots, right? They can answer questions, but they don't remember past interactions. Then there's also the proactive agents. These agents are the ones who can actually remember past interactions and adapt their behavior accordingly. Now, the third one is the autonomous agent. The autonomous agents are agents that can operate independently for an extended period of time, making decisions without human input. Now, some popular AI agent that I'll be speaking about is Eliza OS, n8n, as well as also n8n. So Eliza OS is an AI operating system that is designed to streamline workflows and also manage tasks autonomously. And for most part, I would say it's code intensive. And that's why I'll be going to the second type of AI agent that I think you should be aware of, and that is n8n. So n8n is a no-code automation tool that connects various services and allows you to actually build AI-driven automations. I think that's pretty cool, and it's really low on code, I can tell you for a fact. Now, the third one is n8n, and n8n is pretty much similar to n8n. It helps you to automate workflows by integrating different apps and services to also create intelligent agents. Now, here are some real-world examples or use cases of actually building AI agents. One of them is that AI agents are already being used across different industries. For example, some industries already use this AI agents to automate their customer support with chatbots, as we all know. Also, in terms of managing social media posts, you can literally integrate your AI agent, build a workflow such that this AI agent would help you automatically tweet as well as also automatically make posts as well to your social media. And this is all through the help and the use of AI agents. Also, personal assistants as well too. Personal assistants in terms of building AI agents help you to schedule meetings. They help you to go through your calendar such that you can schedule meetings, add reminders, and also get notifications as to when you have a meeting upcoming. Also, in terms of data extraction and reporting for emails files or databases. These AI agents also help as well too. And one thing you would find in some videos coming up is that you'll see a video where I'm able to automate a Google Sheet by just creating an AI agent workflow that would allow me to populate different data in this Google Sheet. So we've come to the end of this video, but the question is, are AI agents actually helping to transform the space of technology? Are you looking to get open into the field of AI agents? And how is AI agent going to transform the way we work as well as also interact with technology? So whether it's automating your workflows, whether it's managing tasks, whether it's even making predictions as well too, these AI agents are really here to stay. So the earlier you get to adapt to this, the better. So are you ready to build your own AI agent? If you are, stick around and let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks so much guys for watching. Ensure to like, share, and also comment and subscribe as well too. See you next time.